Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with power off to protect speakers and ears. This prevents thumps. Locate the mixer's insert on the channel or the group output you'll process. Once identified, connect the mixer's insert send to the compressor input using a TRS to TRS or TRS to dual TS cable. If using XLR match pins, make sure the compressor output returns to the mixer's insert return. Now power on the compressor first, then the mixer, so levels initialize safely. With audio flowing, route the channel to the insert and solo the source so you hear only what's processed. Slowly raise the compressor input until you see signal on the meter, then set threshold for mild gain reduction, around 26 dB as a starting point. Adjust ratio to taste, higher ratios when you need stronger control. Use attack and release to preserve transients and natural decay. Finally, match the compressor output to the mixer channel level using makeup gain or trim. Finish by listening in context. Toggle bypass to confirm the compressor improves clarity and consistency. If you hear phase issues, check cable polarity and ensure balanced connections. Swap cables to isolate faults. If you notice pumping or distortion, reduce the ratio, lengthen attack time, or lower the input gain to avoid overdriving the compressor. Once satisfied, document the settings for recall, and remember, small adjustments often yield the most musical results. Trust your ears, and revisit after a short break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.